Safety is very important for our kids. Everybody needs sleep, right? So me and Stacy, we might be asleep while Brayla's asleep. She could wake up and wander out of her room, and who knows what she'd get into. She could probably drag a chair over to her door and unlock a door and get outside even. This is the best. It is called the Caregiver Alert Monitor. I originally was looking for something to be able to let us know when she was leaving her room. We thought she was sleeping. So this is part 1 of the caregiver alarm. And then the motion sensor. So really it's just a motion sensor with the remote alarm. A big part of the reason why this is really cool is it's not going to alarm on the motion side, so it's not going to scare her, which is pretty important because we don't want her to be scared to go through doors. If there's an alarm that goes off when she opens a door, she's going to start generalizing that to other doors. That can become a problem of its own. So this system works great.
And then you can hear it right now. It goes off. It has like a silent feature where it just clicks. So if we're already or still awake at night, like she's just laid down, we can hear it on there. And that's even if she's not opened the door, if she goes near that or wherever you position it, if you don't want her to cross like her bed line. And it can be mounted, we just don't mount ours so that we can take it with us everywhere.
Hotel rooms can be scary because some of them have very easy accessible locks that barely can open. And this we just set by the hotel room door. In hotel rooms, we're all asleep at the same time, and it's not that hard for Briley to wake up without us noticing. Even with Airbnbs, it's really important.
Oftentimes she'll sleep in a room, an entire like bedroom separate from us. This is where we keep ours. They can be mounted up high, but we haven't had a need to because Braylee doesn't mess with it.
We've actually had the question before, what if Braylee just moves it or turns it off?
If you were to go and turn it off, the light would go off, and it senses anyways.
And if you move it, it'll go out like any type of anything, and it's gonna go off. All right, we're gonna do a test. Stacy, go to sleep.
I'm Braylee.
Good night, Braylee.
Good night.
All right, then I'm gonna go over here. Braylee's sleeping, so I'm gonna turn this on. It's chime. Bedtime. I'm passed out. And so that is how that works. So let's see if you can sneak up behind it and turn it off. Okay, Stacy, try to turn it off without setting off the alarm. Fail. With you knowing now, Braylee doesn't know like what makes it go off. Stacy knows how it goes off. Let's see if she can do it knowing that. Try it again.
It's actually considered like a caregiver alarm, and all the advertisements for it show the elderly. I think it's similar to what they would use in like nursing homes or nurses' stations and that sort of thing, you know?
When you have something like that set up, you sleep so much better. Sleep quality when knowing that there's no way that she's gonna get out of there without us knowing is so much better. That is one thing that we use to be more comfortable with sleeping. Yeah, we have locks on our doors, we have anti-slide lock things on our windows, but that is so much like having an audible alarm system that does not go where she's at, it goes where the noise comes where we're at. It works. In fact, I'm tempted to get a second motion sensor for it. I believe you can connect multiple motion sensors to one alarm, and it might be something useful for an exterior door. Brady, do you have anything for anybody today?
She has slime.
Slime. Today's a slime day. No, this is the slime kit she picked out a while back.
At the grocery store?
At the grocery store. Brought it out today.
you take that, and we're gonna do a dramatization.
We're gonna do a dramatization. Yeah. Dramatization time.
No,
Take
you're doing it.
I'm an alarm person?
Yeah, you lay down.
Like I'm sleeping?
Mm-hmm. And then turn it on loud.
Wait.
Hold on, let me close the door.